Unboxing the rear brake pads for Ford Kuga. Rear brake pads showcase. Brake pad retaining clip. Brake grease. Instruction manual. Replacing rear brake pads on Ford Kuga. Tools required: 1/2-inch torque wrench, 1/2-inch extension bar, 1/2-inch electric impact wrench, 19 mm deep socket, 1/2-inch ratchet, brake caliper piston tool, brake caliper hook, 7 mm hex bit, flathead screwdriver. Use a 19 mm deep socket with an extension bar. Loosen the rear wheel lug nuts. Release the parking brake before lifting the vehicle. Lift the vehicle. Use a 19 mm deep socket with an electric impact wrench. Remove the lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Use a flathead screwdriver to remove the retaining clip from the brake caliper. Remove the dust cap from the guide pin. Use a 7 mm hex bit with a 1/2-inch ratchet. Remove the brake caliper guide pin. Remove the brake caliper. Use the brake caliper hook. Secure the brake caliper. Remove the brake pads. Use a lint-free cloth to clean the mounting surface. Before installing the brake pads, apply brake grease evenly to the backing plate. After applying brake grease, install the brake pads. Install the pad with a return spring on the inner side. Install the other brake pad. Use the brake caliper piston tool. Compress the brake caliper piston. Rotate the center screw to compress the brake caliper piston. Remove the tool. Remove the brake caliper hook. Install the brake caliper. Install the brake caliper guide pin. Use a 7 mm hex bit with a torque wrench. Tighten the brake caliper guide pin. Torque to 28 Nm or 21 foot-pounds. Install the guide pin dust cap. Install the outer retaining clip. Use a flathead screwdriver to assist with installation. Replace the retaining clip with the new one. Install the wheel. Install the lug nuts. Use a 19 mm deep socket with an electric impact wrench. Tighten the rear wheel lug nuts. Lower the vehicle. Use a 19 mm deep socket with a torque wrench. Tighten the rear wheel lug nuts. Torque to 150 Nm or 111 foot-pounds. After replacing the brake pads, pump the brake pedal several times. To bring the brake caliper piston back to its working position, the replacement procedure for the right side is the same as the left side.